Couture 2018 in the Rio Grande Valley, a year in review. What a year it has been. We are so excited, so proud, so happy to have ended our year fantastic. We had our last make and take of the year last night, and we couldn't be prouder. We just wanted to share with you all, our fans, our clients, our customers, everybody that likes us on Facebook, everybody that follows us, myself, Analia, and my Belia. We are just so thrilled to have been a part of your lives in 2018. We are so thrilled, so thankful. We feel blessed and honored to have been a part of your lives, and we have enjoyed every minute of our chalking and sipping and markets and all the projects and home decor we got to do with you. So many thank yous. Love you all. We wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. See you in 2019.